In this new episode of Ducati World Premiere 2025, Ducati introduces the Multistrada V4, V4S and Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak for 2025. The new Ducati Multistrada V4 MY2024 is designed for those who like to ride with maximum comfort on all types of roads, without sacrificing the sporty feel that characterizes every Ducati motorcycle. Performant, efficient and technologically advanced, the new Multistrada V4 expands the road to a new dimension of travel, where every detail is designed to enhance riding pleasure. The new Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak MY2025 is a symphony of emotions, all the way to the top. The mountain track becomes the stage for the perfect symphony, a supersport chassis and a strong character. The Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak combines performance and precision riding. Its name is a tribute to a legendary competition. Ducati has packed the Multistrada V4 with advanced electronics, including the new Ducati Vehicle Observer, which improves stability and control. Ducati has introduced a new speed-lowering device that activates when you reduce your speed below 10 km per hour. It automatically lowers the motor height, giving you more control when stopping and raises it again once you reach 50 km per hour. It's all about making the ride safer and smoother, especially in urban environments or tight situations. Enduro lovers are in for even more. Ducati has developed an enduro riding mode for the Multistrada V4, which now delivers a more controllable 114 horsepower of power for precision on off-road terrain. ABS on the rear wheel is disabled, giving you the freedom to tackle tough terrain with confidence. Plus, the new wet mode ensures maximum traction in rainy conditions, so you're always in control, whatever the weather. Let's talk about performance. The 2025 Multistrada V4 is powered by 1158 cubic centimeter Gran Turismo V4 engine capable of producing 170 horsepower with 5 Euro plus. Not only does the bike have plenty of power, it also comes with 5 riding modes, namely Touring, Urban, Wet, and Enduro. Each mode adjusts power and traction to suit terrain ranging from city streets to off-road adventures. In addition, the Multistrada V4 is equipped with an innovative braking and suspension system. The electronic combined braking system balances the front and rear brakes for a smooth stop, while the semi-active Marzocchi Skyhook suspension on the S version ensures a smooth ride, whatever the load and terrain. And for those seeking the ultimate thrill, the Pikes Peak version offers a sporty twist with Öhlins tires, intelligent EC 2.0 suspension, and race-inspired maps.